I'm Desiree with Herbal Wise. Today I'm here to talk with you about aromatherapy cleaning. Aromatherapy typically involves the use of essential oils and is many household uses. Today I'm going to talk with you about creating an all-purpose disinfectant spray using essential oils. The essential oils that I've selected are tea tree oil and lavender. Both have disinfectant qualities and a pleasant smell, especially when combined with each other. And lavender has the added benefit of being a very calming and relaxing scent. You basically just combine 2 cups of water with a little bit of natural soap. In my case, I've selected Castile soap. It's a liquid soap. And then add a total of 30 drops of essential oil. So in using lavender and tea tree, we'll add 15 drops of each. You can just add them to a spray bottle and shake it up and spray to any surface for disinfecting and cleaning. You may want to avoid using it on glass as it can streak glass. I'm Desiree and this is Aromatherapy Cleaning.